Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever the time is for you, it's Atul from Techobia. So then if you are looking at this blank result in your search, then here's a quick solution for you. What you have to do, you have to go to the run. For that, you have to press start up, then type registry. Then this window will open in the front of you. There you have to go to the H key current user and then need to select the software and then go for Microsoft. And in the Microsoft, you need to go to the current version, which I'm looking for. Windows and then current version. And inside the current version, you can see the search. And when you click on the search, you can see a lot of the results over here. You need to right click. And then in the new, you need to add a dword 32-bit, and that you need to write being search enabled. Make sure that the B, S, and E are in the caps lock. Then you need to double click on that and make sure that the value whatever is entered set to the 0. Right now, you are making this value 0. It was already 0. Then you need to look for the Cortana consent. You need to double click on it and make sure that its value is also set to 0. Then you need to click to the OK, and once you are done, in some cases you need to restart your machine or it will start on the spot for you. Like in my case, when I started typing, I was able to look the results as you can see on my screen. I hope this fix will work for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.